in the streets emgaqweni. The following episode consists of the use of inappropriate language. All views and opinions held in this episode are not those of the industry emgaqweni, but those of the participants. Okay.
Descrição porque ele nasceu quando ela cultura nacional então jangshela yangithola ngoba bathi ngedede mangivela bathi showcase reshow mangivelezela bathi khaphuhle abanye khaphuhle mina nabo bani wena ubani DJ yini nabangani uri yazalani ifeme ngalo kujoyina ngelo no yes like right like Yafika la anyanyiswa na la namba
last year is late last year, yeah.
Nibonua full.
Yeah. I got John. I don't think there's anyone that inspired me. It's just being a hustler. So trying new things because I'm also involved in the entertainment industry. So I've been trying some different sectors in the entertainment industry. So this is one of them. And I'm here to bag. It's part of our manager. Those kind of vibes. We are celebrating actually.
Okay, I want to thank you.
Thank you. They were so happy and they enjoyed the set. And that was a good feedback.
Le camera le yazi batshele isho phezulu show singakaqali ithi indescription kakhulu yabheka sisamini kamera ngikudela kakhulu isho ngiyangishela ngazi hayi mara sikho lapho one Sunday ulana kuthi impulse uzoenjoya uzojabulela sibeka refethu reception yakho omkhulu lisiva kanjani bese kwayi kanjani right freshness unumela yini oh okay yeah so why was it like with the Sunday wangalalanga nje moya sifikile la isejabulise kakhulu ya washange kwisixto kodgcina la ngathaba khona shange kwisixto lesona le faka nto le washange kwisixto ke lawo kane ke lo kodgcina laphaya uthi shophezwe sho inesiphithi emgaqweni injalo lale isithi kodwa kakhulu amanye sekhala bokushiki uyayivaka nto ke le lalela. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. I'm Chola. We're going to move on to push it. I'm done. Come by. I know you have to get the Bega manipane man. When is Sunday? This all about kuza. Wavuka wathi into celebrate ibhega gaga ya sura ngayo kufika njani uyazi ngoba maposta kwena ina waya yakele uyabona nawe ya uyabona abantu kali sasa man ya support kazi ya support ana mata bakona mkuze waraundelela bakone boys yeah Mamela ke alikana wenze apha kamereni uthi shophezo show no skip inde special kwethu uyazi mfethu no special kwethu awusithi yethu na special kwethu yeah shophezo kwethu mafethu aya dola kisama aya inde special kwethu kinko dola kakhulu into zamshela wathekethela bethu kushi pheshi jeji tata ngoba vela wathi sure wasijasa lento kasho ikale vayeke kabani yiza kube mkongomo manje uyabona wena mlingani wami mfundisi balanga into ngizokutshela yona thina sikamakataliya sikamakholombiana lento leli kale sisina uyazi kwamanje silana street market 011 Chastain Remo Strategy kwatika Dimples the photographer 011 Makasana Remo Strategy show JT Jaja yeah 61 hayi sijasali hayi khona yena ushaya ipi mkhosana yamshela ngoba hayi amazi mkhosi para sijasavama sitawuni ukuthi sifika mthona benginani kwemekuseni sikwela ibhola lokuthetha namisha sipati hayi zona futhi benginani frade futhi benginani mara isupport bafethu nigayikazi ngicela ukusho ukuthi gayisizeni nayo enhle kanje kathamba ukusupport naleli gayi nithu uyabona wena nje yabizule mina nganje abantu basenalika kuthola njaya so kumele nami ngibagaye lonke abayidayo yakuthola njalo into engayisho umuntu ngabantu uzokutshela ukuthi ngidlala ke umuntu kabantu ishayile nje baba nami ngijabulile ukubona njengoba sizinfikile ngijabuliswa yini kulo Gawula abantwana bebona yeah kali sasa yeah ayizawa ngado ngizokutshela yona choke dilikisobo dilikiyo uyabona namhlanje uyabona yo ikhona into ezayo yosakilimise kuwe sasa lokho kusayo sesisitha Colombia yabona
Rihanna. Amariana, Lagiana, Mandariana. A small country next to Shapa Soweto. Wabekane na Masola. Amazambia. Esile wapoteni kamshaza. Sisita Colombia Catalina Idi. It's a show moment. Amaroda.
Asikasi.
Amaroda.
Ukuthi sebesenza. Estradeni emgaqweni. Manbeka ngifethisa nje abajovisi. Lapho ke. Number one. Wena kawulali. Lela kanjani manje? Ngiyafika yapela. Hayi. Phela manje kusukule. Uthi impunzi. Manje thina sosibheka igame night. Number one. Arabasibheka ngicela ukuthi shop has go show. Injalo dade. Bafethu saseoni, bathasilali, bathi simnandi, bathi khikodola kakhulu isibhamu usidukula kakhulu isikhala kathathu. Shop has go show. On and on. Sikubo. Come on, Yo, sisam, ungasibisi. Bathi yasaba, my dog, wena ngicela ngayi. Abantu bafethu beka, ugcwele kamnandi ngoba kamnandi.
Sabonga.
On Sunday guys, nakhetha ukuza ku-birthday celebration kaDuku. Siqale nawo. Birthday celebration, what made you celebrate? Yeah, why is it now? Yeah.
Truly speaking, it's my cousin is my brother.
Yeah.
So he made me come to side. I was like, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And how's the vibe?
So far, it's moving.
Uze naye. Lona kanali, le bode scratch.
I was like, let me ride and dance. Let me just ride it.
Izolo futhi siya sontweni ari ayizulu. Ari fihla kereke, fihla basho ala ni. Kereke ngizona. Bye. Kwetala kereke nyalu.
Awuyazi
Yeah. We the vibe. Ara guys enjoy it.
Excellent.
What impulse for party? Yeah. And the food. Have you tasted the food, guys?
Yeah. Everything like that. Yes, we tasted what we want. Yeah. So far, so good. No complaints.
hayi okuningi amanga umkhonto wesi bangathi umkhonto si-JMK
Tolo batshele lapha yabheka manje sezinto esinkulu esivele sithi industry semgwaqweni shophes kwenye
para lapha sicela beka green robot isaphambi suke emabhodeni akekho njengayo khohlwa
shophes kwenye
estradeni besigwenye
kamera kubani sona Ezona uze kanjani ipato uhlala ezona ndezawe emokusona Yeah. Mani? Mahal ka yung pakaman. Salat. Yeah. Mani ang ngayon ito. Nasala. Isa sila pag-ipindihan. Yeah. Yeah. Mani. Parang pala, nilisap sila kutusan. Yeah. Okay, yung camera na. Uti siya pag-ipindihan. Grenade, So, 2 questions. One toilet polo langka jwala. You. Ay, falka language.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Football I never.
I never. Favorite language. And there's only Sunday, my dog. Only Sunday. Oh, no, Uchi in the belly. Another one. Yeah, when I see Chamani, what about the niggas cracking? Yeah, Chamani. I don't see. I shall say to you today, getting up from my Buenas uyazi kawusencenga kazifuna ukusha amapayipi siphande njengabanye abantwana asifuna ukuthi basize ekuvumeni size nje ngokuphuza kumele siphande njengabanye abantwana sobona ukusha nje ukuze mwengize ikusha amapayipi nje phela kusapota amajele so madog like reception yakho kuziphilisa kanjani like mamela ntswemwile ngumtshaka watsona from jazz hip hop piano mina ngithanda ukufunda and ayikuthi ngiyaqhoma kanjani hayi fana set standard watsona otherwise batokubana abatetsi fatapha babona bashileli bum shot ke sama jo sathi ba atumela bona ukashapa yini ba ikatumela so wena amuthi abathobhako wena le besides ho paisa bupati so teta anga uthola kayo ngomava inamba thing like your handles bro obviously like hlala hleli tshaka number tsaka ke 062 973 9273 repeat ape 062 973 9273 isipana dikiki di family gathering wena mfone le ke tlola o Facebook ma a Facebook ke ya mo phetswe ke tshaka Twitter, Insta, not active. TikTok, not active. Yeah, Tanja. Barinzongelo bakhathazene. Yeah. Ngela phe camera ni bheka. Uthi shop phezwe shop. Shop phezwe shop. In the street emgaqweni. Emgaqweni in the street. You know what it is. Jaya maskolo Jaya. Away. Right, let's just move on. Energy rusija sawa kana je wan manga ni tata obvious it was born in the wood and invented in young you got it you can buy it you cannot buy it man how chance kalubuza le ekamubani jamu bolu perform ngakona uDJ hayi ubaba wama champion music I'm ngabona no master on the beat it's the Midas touch Midas
labantu bebangafuna ukuthi siperforme mina ngangena nenkani
This is Leon. Okay, nada sanje. Amata. Kala ngai. Kamo chobani. Ofisine. Wena uyi. Umrepa le. Wena weto artist. Midas. Aspeke ngai, aspeke kame. Akafero Midas. Yeah. Wena mento. Yo, it's Black Apple One. I'm a rapper, bro. Okay. Yeah. I don't think I agree with myself, but by the way, yeah. Wait, what is funny? Yeah. Chaka. Hey yo, this is OGST. The accent with him, I just fuck each other with the capital. You know what it is, man. You know what it is. Yeah. What am I doing? What up, my George? Yeah. My name is Genius G. You know what it is. You know what it is. Showtime, my brother. When time
they call me next year.
When are you?
Oh, mina ngenza yonke into man.
Manager. Yeah. Manager. ngicelayo mina ngijabulile ngemomenteni ibengekho bengizovala ngicela nje sithi la ekhamereni show phezu kweshow yakuthola hayi ngale energy leyo yokuperform That's what's up! That's what's up! Let's go! I got it. Profesional, siempre con la función Junction. Bonfat.
DJ Tazo.
Oh ya DJ. Barangara kuja na maya.
Aku sama perempuan.
Ya nyaman.
Ya
mas, 2 kilo. Amas. Kalau kucing lupa.
Anda usia mabudada. Usia mabudada.
Kalau dia nak kucing CMS kontrol. Orang dia nak index sistem koi. Nunuan.
But otherwise, otherwise when you got usual, but I will.
Asal mtana kinipatisha. Enjoy. Usongo bana, usongo mtana kinipele ula.
Attract you, otherwise I'll attract you.
Okay, sikhulumele sikufane wena yakho batshele lapha. Okay, I'm not kidding. Yeah. Okay, DJ Chan, manje ngifuna ngishaya khona. Sena mothi nje, ngihamba noshila mabili.
Yabona umanje sokukhipha iphoma. Mina bathina iposition
na ukuya sele. Akibo kitha nalawa, bese nizelo ikhipha. Sethene sijazana mfowethu. Wena ngoba wakho. Yeah. Yeah, khona Facebook, Twitter, _RSA, YouTube kila mapina ngeche base. Kitu amo musando, ya moja. Sure. Yeah. Nake bati kusaboja, semsan promote. Otherwise ya moja. Hadi kala nje manje nitu. Nitapeka kamereni in the street. MK. Oi. In the street. Ekwa kweli. Shope kweli. Kazoje. Sinesiza kweli asikhathi tata. Kala nje manje njalo ulandele ukuthi uthiphathi njani. Sikodwa kakhulu into ngizamshela ngoba thekekela njalo athamidaliwe sibesiya sibile shilo masika ngoba sitatara yayi ngithola khinya khona delile athi siyawa sitheleka ngayi ihlini sidithenga manje ubabonisa ukuthi uthole Sunday ngokwa kanjani. Simnandi. Abeka, ibambe soba ko. Hayi ngibambe kanjani. Uyangithola. Wena matakubani ntombi lakho. Awuze. Abani lila. Mina mfethu beka manje. Ayisiyabo kunuka kamnandi. Kamnandi. Ayisiyabo wena ukuthethe ifanele kamnandi. Yazi. Show phezwe.
Awujami yazi. Uta from Lesotho guys. So it's about to Lesotho. If they are Dimple Sonton. So Lesotho uta from Yeah. So you chat back to Lesotho ngabona wetsala manje. That's why I said it's Sonton nyalo. Yeah, ke bonta from Bata wona kasi. Njalo Sonton. Yeah.
Asijazami ecamereni. Ngela ngithi show phezwe show.
Yeah.
Show phezwe show.
Show phezwe show.
Injalo la guys. How's your mind, guys?
Yes.
How's your mind?
I know I've been singing, Mama. Kamera, saya yang kamera, no saya keren yang tu. Asyik kalau pun tanam. Ini pekeh, tanam. Thank you so much. Ukulele, ake, puna ngaji apa? Kau, asyik geleo kau. Sudah tadi saya ni bar. Siapa boleh kerja? Asyik, kau man. Kalau hanya boleh apa kumi. Hanya boleh. Asyik kawan lagi makan. Ini sabji kau isi barang dah. Kawan basi ni lepasnya aku. Kosile, datang di pos asesa. Ini sabji aku tadi isi barang dah.
Again, first I'd like to thank everybody who came here. And Manani. AKA Kunzumalanga Matota. So, I'm just happy. That's all I can say. I'm out of words. I'm a shy man. I'm just happy.
Kalau suka pada bola boleh. Kalau itu ada macam untuk pada bola. Masa saja. Kalau ini kau ni saja.
No, I'm kidding. Firstly, street market, it happens on Sunday. So, we decided to collabo, spend a shy party on a Sunday, knowing very well we have to just pull it over, feeling of Sunday.
Hanya pun antara kang tuan. So pega kau, ya, saya itu cuma pega kamera. Show phezwe show in the street emkakwe. In the street emkakwe. Show phezwe. Yang choy.
In the street emkakwe. Show phezwe.
Yeah. Before spy. Ila ina kan tu baca uci kas ceban ni ina. Baca uci kas ceban. Yang ina. Yeah.
Upetu Chanel, King B, Pendri.
Yeah.
Ai, siabu ya na.
Yeah. Our sport.
Kula benga babizanga.
And many more. Yeah. I need some kind of good lesson. Let's say on a Sunday.
D'accord.
Now it's time to see.
Action.
People so check that.
Action.
Yeah. I don't know what's not future.